Do you wish to make money just like this or like this with affiliate marketing without any previous experience or without any expensive software by investing only your work? Then you must watch this video. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Now maybe easiest way to research your niche is to actually go on Digistore24 Marketplace, to go on JVZoo Marketplace, Warrior Plus Marketplace, Share a Sale, Amazon or any other affiliate marketplace. But maybe easiest way to do that is to actually go on ClickBank. And let's just say, for example, I'm in photography niche. So here you can see categories and here you can also see subcategories. So let's just say, for example, I'm in photography niche, and when I click here on photography, I will see all the available photography related products here on ClickBank. So what you need to do, you actually need to check the potential of that niche. So what you can do is you can simply go on Uber Suggest, for example, and you just say that I niche down and I wish to see potential of photography basics. Here you can see in United States, 1900 people is searching this search term every month. SEO difficulty 59, which means this is actually pretty difficult to rank on Google. Here you can see paid difficulty 60. Also really hard to actually compete with your competition. People pay on average $1.36 per click, which means if people are actually willing to pay $2, $3, $5 per click, that means that they are actually making money by promoting these kind of products, and that is a good thing. And when you scroll here you can see some related keywords. People are also searching these things here, and you can also target these things here, and you can also promote products related to these search terms. Here you can see some more informations, and when you scroll back here you can see in order to rank in top 10 positions on Google, you must have at least 1000 backlinks, and your domain authority must be at least 59, which means it is almost impossible to rank on first page on Google for this search term here, okay? But doesn't matter because we are actually not going to rank on first page on Google. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to find some photos and images, and you need to find some videos related to photography basics, stuff like that. And you can also make those photos by yourself, or you can simply go on Pexels or Pexabay and find royalty-free photos and videos on these websites here. But let's just say I wish to create a short video. So what I can do is I can simply go here on Canva and choose a video format. And then let's just say, for example, here I will search, let's just say, for example, winter. And then click here on photos. And let's just say, for example, I wish to use this photo here. And all I have to do now is just drag this photo and make it fit, okay? This is my first slide. My next slide, let's just say, for example, I wish to choose my next slide to be, let's just say, for example, spring, okay? Spring, and press here, and then again just go on photos, and let's just say, for example, this photo here, and same thing, let's just make it fit to my template, okay? And another slide, and let's just say, for example, summer, okay, summer, and then again just go here on photos, and let me just choose one of these photos, let's just say, for example, this one here, okay? And another slide should be winter, okay? Winter, okay? Winter. And again, just go here on photos. Actually, I have winter. I need the fall, okay? Fall, okay? Fall. And then just go here on photos. And let's just say, for example, I wish to use this photo here. And that's it. I created this short video, okay? So let me just move this slider here. And when I click here, here you can see this is my video, but I need to actually make these slides to be shorter. So let's just say, for example, I will make them to be 2 seconds. Click here, and now all slides are 2 seconds long. So when I click here you can see how this actually looks. And it's okay, it's nothing special, but it is okay for the purpose of this video. All I have to do now is just click here on share, click here on download, and download this video to your desktop. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to upload this video somewhere in order to get some traffic. And for that, we are going to use a website called Flickr. Now, Flickr is something like YouTube, but only for photographies. And just a few years ago, they actually start adding videos as well. And let me show you potential of the Flickr. When you go here on SimilarWeb, here you can see this website got 52, almost 53 million visits last month. And when you scroll here, so let me just close this, Here you can see most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries, from tier 1 countries. And like I said, all you have to do is just go back here on Flickr, register for a free account, and then just start uploading your photos and videos. And just click here on upload, and now you can upload your photo and video. Choose here photos and videos to upload. This is my video, and here I need to add a description. So for my description, I already prepared the description, and I can paste that here. And here you also need to add a link, but you cannot add direct affiliate link. So what you can do is you can simply create a bridge page, okay? You can create bridge page in Google Sites in system.io, but I actually created my own blog. And this is the blog post that I created. As you can see here, it is a catchy photo. I opened with a catchy photo. Here you can see this is the article. And here you can see this is my affiliate link. So when someone click on this link, they will be redirected to my affiliate product. And if they buy that product, I am going to earn a commission. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this link, and I need to go back on Flickr, and I need to paste that link here, okay? Paste that link here, and that's it. And all I have to do now is just click here on upload, and I can upload this video on Flickr. And here you can see when someone click on this link, they will be redirected to my bridge page, to my blog post in this case. And like I said, if they buy this product here, I am going to earn an affiliate commission. But this is a tip for you. From just one video that you upload on Flickr, you probably won't get that much traffic. Also, if you upload just one photo, you probably won't get that much traffic. But what you can do is you can simply go here on Pexabay, for example, and let's just say, for example, spring, okay? Spring, okay? Spring. And here you can find spring related photos that are royalty free. You can upload these photos on Flickr. And like I said, just try to upload at least one photo every day, one photo or one video every day. The more videos you upload, the more traffic you will send to your bridge page, in this case to my blog post. And trust me, you will start getting free traffic. You will start getting clicks on your affiliate link, you will start making sales, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing. It is that simple, it is that easy. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.